Welcome to my channel. We're gonna show you the progress on this 1933 pickup truck. We're gonna make a video of the whole car, but I'm gonna open the door so this way you can see it. I'm going to explain about this. The reason that we did the interior diamond pattern from this down is to match with the seat, so you can follow the shape of the bench over here. Okay, we're gonna explain what we did in this truck. In this truck we did the door panels, the bench, rear panel, rear corner panels, headliner, and the console for the radio. Now in the bottom we did a carpet, floor mats, upkeep panels. The car is not ready yet. The only thing what we have to be left is to do the seat belts and the and we have to do some detailing. So that's how it looks when it's closed. Channel is Upholstery. This is what we offer over here is 100% custom made. So the customer came over here with the ideas, we designed it, and all those ideas we put into the car. So this is a sample what we do here. In the previous videos you can see the way it came. Like it was like 3-4 weeks ago. Everything was gray or charcoal gray color, a dark color. So we eliminated the gray. What we use over here is 2 tones, the red and the burgundy. So the piping is burgundy, the thread is burgundy matching the piping, actually matching the car. You can see the door, the floor mats too. So what we did over here is like 96% black and the 4 or 5% burgundy. So now that I show you the car, I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna put in my shop. Then we're gonna wait for the seatbelts. That is gonna be red with black, matching the car. Thanks for watching this video. If this is the first time that you're watching this, please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. This channel is only for custom car interiors. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications, so this way every time that I upload a video, you will be the first to see these videos. Thanks for watching and take care.